Ladies and gentlemen, how are you doing today? This is Mr. Salgado, and this is a video on our online transition. We're going to be transitioning to online classes, be able to receive your lessons through the internet, and also be able to turn in homework through different apps. Anyhow, let's begin. The very first thing that you need is to sign up for my Remind. Okay, if you have not signed up for Remind, you need to do this right now. So if you're in my period 3 class, please take out your cell phones right now. My period 3 algebra 1.1, and don't worry, we'll get to all the periods right now. But period 3 algebra 1.1, what I need you to do is send a text message to the phone number 81010. I know that's a weird phone number, right? But send this message, right? Send this message to the phone number 81010. No spaces in between, lowercase h and b right there. This is for period 3, algebra 1.1. If you've already signed up, you already have the Remind texting ability to communicate with me. You don't have to do it. But I need every single person to do this. If you do not have a cell phone right now, or if you don't have internet, or if you don't have a signal in the class right now, then do this from home. If you don't have a cell phone, if you don't own a cell phone, have your parents do this, please. Again, period 3, send this message to that phone number. Let's move on to period 4. Period 4, I want you to send this text message at KE78KA, all lowercase, no spaces, to the phone number 81010. Again, if you don't have a cell phone, jot this down, have your parents sign up on their cell phone from home. This is how we're going to be turning in homework assignments. You're going to take a picture through this Remind app and send it to me via text. Period 6, if you're in my Algebra 2 class in period 6, here's the group code, or not the group code, send this text message to this phone number, 81010. At G9K4DG. Let's move on to period 7. Period 7, please send this text message at PER, well, that's pretty easy, at period 7 algebra, right? But that's for algebra 2. Send it to this message, to that phone number, 81010. And period 8, algebra 2, send a text message to the phone number 81010 at 97C36B. This is very, very important. If you do not do this, you're not going to be able to keep up with the class. You're not going to be able to turn in assignments. Your grade will drastically drop. So please make sure you sign up for this texting app. If you don't have a cell phone, sign up through somebody else's cell phone, through your parents' cell phone, or anybody's cell phone. Just sign up so you could receive messages and communicate with me. Okay, that's the very first thing that you need to do. Sign up for these, for Remind, the texting app, so you could communicate, so you could turn in homework by taking pictures of them and so forth. Let's move on to the next thing you need to do for the online transition. Edmodo.com. Now, I already know the majority of you, I'm talking about like 95% of you already have Edmodo.com. You already check in on a regular basis. Thank you very much for doing that. So these instructions right here are only if you have never signed up, okay? What I need you to do, if you've never signed up, if you're a new student, if you've just never signed up, if you don't have an Edmodo account, go to edmodo.com, sign up as a student with the following appropriate group codes, okay? So if you're in my period 3 algebra 1.1, here is the group code for edmodo.com. The group code is KRHA9C. Again, if you already have an account, then you don't have to do this, all right? Actually, please don't do this if you already have an account. Let's say you forgot your password, all right? Or you forgot your username. Don't sign up again. All you have to do is send me a text message through the Remind app that you just signed up for, and I could send you your username and create a new password for you. So this is only if you have never signed up for edmodo.com, okay? So let's move on to period 4. Period 5. Period 6. Wait, why did I say 5? Hey, math teacher can't count. 3, 4, 6, 7. Yeah, I don't have period 5. Period 5 is lunch. Moving on, period 8. So here are all your different group codes. And again, this is only if you have not signed up for edmodo.com ever, okay? Let me make these a little bigger for you. Okay, almost there. And I think that's pretty decent size for you guys to see. Again, only if you have not signed up. If you've never created an account, go to edmodo.com, sign up as a student, and use these appropriate group codes for whatever period you want to sign up for. Again, if you've already signed up and you lost your password, you forgot your username, send me a text message. I'll send you back the information that you need. That's the second thing that you need to do to be successful to this online transition. And the last thing you need to do is go to youtube.com, and search Ricardo Salgado, that's me, math. Ricardo Salgado math. And this guy should pop up right there. Yep, that's me when I had hair. Anyway, that's me. Look, that's pretty lame. Only 320 subscribers. But look at all those videos. That's crazy. Anyway, please, I need you to subscribe. Not because I want to feel good about myself, even though I really will if I crank that up to like 400 or something. But anyway, I want you to subscribe. Why? Because whenever I upload a message or a video, you'll receive a message stating that I uploaded it. Not only that, I will be, since we're doing this online transition, there will be times where I go YouTube live, right? Where I'm actually recording myself in real time, and I want you guys to log on. And when I do get on YouTube live, you'll get that message only if you are subscribed. You're not going to get that message if you're not. So I need you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Once again, final time, I need you to search Ricardo Salgado Math and subscribe. Ladies and gentlemen, I hope that you sign up for all the 3 things I asked of you. That way we could, if need be, right? I mean, the school's not closed yet, but I have a feeling it's inevitable that it's going to close. That we can make this transition into learning online fluidly. It is a weird time right now with this coronavirus. It's definitely going to go down in the history books. So I just want to say, be safe out there. Wash your hands frequently. Try not to be close to anybody. And we'll see you online. Keep the learning going.